Hi, today we are going to see the Stotram 13. Rudro Bahushira Babrur Vishwayoni Sujishravaha Amridashashvadastanur Vararoko Mahatabaha. Mahatabaha. You can say it in both words. Rudra. Rudra means one who is making others cry or one who is making others sad by getting tears in their eyes. That happens at the time of cosmic dissolution. That in every cycle what Bhagavan does is for the betterment of the universe, he does cosmic dissolution at which all the things in the universe are broken down. They are destroyed and a new life will start again. So at that time he will take the form of Rudra. Rudra is another form of Bhagavan and is called Shiva. Shiva has the name Rudra and that's why he is called Shankara. And why he is doing so? Because what happens when the cycle starts, everybody will be the pure soul. But slowly dharma will decrease and adharma will increase. So Bhagavan will take different incarnation to reduce adharma and make this dharma a stable thing in the universe. But after the end of the cycle, the adharma becomes too much that the Bhagavan has to take a decision of cosmic dissolution. So he takes the form of Shankara. Bahu Shira. Shira means head. Bahu means innumerable. So Bahushira means power having innumerable heads. That means Bhagavan doesn't mean that Bhagavan is having that much heads. It means that Bhagavan can have the power of the same power with innumerable heads. That is, he is present everywhere. Innumerable heads means they should be there and we have innumerable knowledge. That is also Bhagavan possesses. And it is also said that it's Jnanam. That is why we say innumerable heads. Jnana means it's infinity. Then the next one is Babru. Babru means who is governing the world, who is ruling the world. It's all or it has the meaning of the king, the ruler. And it has three important things that the ruler should keep in mind. One is self, that he should not give too much of importance to the self as a ruler. So that is called, it says, perception. Next one is Atman. It is a feeling, the emotions that should be very well controlled. And next one is Vishnu. That is knowing things, knowledge. Knowledge is the power that Bhagavan is asking everybody to have it. Knowledge is not only the book knowledge, the knowledge of everything. Vishwa Yoni. Vishwa means universe. Yoni means womb. So Bhagavan is the womb for the universe. That is, he is the creator. He is the reason. He is the cause for the world. Suji Shrava. Suji means that is the most purified form. And Shrava means ears. That means Bhagavan has that many purified names and innumerable names that we should have that much good ears to listen to that. So it is also said that Bhagavan is a good hearer. He hears everything that we say it in person to Bhagavan. So Bhagavan is always ready to listen to us, as well as he has the divine and most sacred names that we should have a mind to hear it. Amrita. Amrita means it is something that we will not have any death or destruction. So it is also called as Moksha, Amrita. And it is Bhagavan's name is Amrita because he also has the names Amara because he doesn't have any death. And Ajara. Ajara also means that he is always full of life. And Avyaya. Avyaya also the same thing. He is deathless. Sashvada Stanu. Shashwatam means permanent. It will not change. And Sthanu means it will not change. That is irremovable. You cannot take it. And it will be stable and be there forever. So, who is established as unchanging power is Bhagavan. Vararoha. Vara means glorious. Aroha means destination. So, we all are waiting for the glorious destination, that is Vaikuntham. And it is said that Bhagavan takes everybody on his lap with highest blessing. So, we all should earn for it. And he said that he is the perfect power who accepts everybody. So, Vararoha means glorious destination, that is called moksha. Mahatapa. Mahatapa means it is related to the knowledge. Tapa means tabas or the dedication or the focus that we are giving, and it is in a highest value is called Mahatapa. And there are three things that we achieve through Mahatapa. That is, one is Jnana or knowledge. When you do dedication and focus in it, automatically you are gaining the knowledge. Next one is Aishwarya or the prosperity or the fortune that we are getting. And next one is Pratapa. Pratapa is the mightness, or you are the way you feel yourself that you have gained something, some knowledge or some power. That is called Pratapa. That these things are we gain through Mahatapa. That's why Bhagavan is called Mahatapa. Here the names are Rudra, Bahushira, Babrur, Vishwayoni, Sujishrava, Amrudha, Shashwadasthanu, Vararoha, Mahatapa. That is 9 names that here we are dealing with. And we will be reaching the 122nd Namam by this stotra. This is the 13th stotra. Rudro Bahushira Babrur Vishwayoni Shujishravaha Amridashashvadastanur Vararoho Mahatabaha.